2011 Toyota Avalon Limited. Alloy wheels. Good turn on the back tires, decent turn on the front tires. Got Toyota Smart Key, touchless keyless entry system. Also a pocket or purse or somewhere close. Walk up to any of the doors. Put your hand behind the handle. It'll sense the key and unlock for you. Powered passenger seat. Rated tan leather interior. Good size back seat. Rear seats do recline a little bit. Pass through to the trunk. Rear seat air vents. All the doors are shut. Then you push the black button on the door handles to lock them. Also works in the trunk. Just find the size spot underneath and lift. Open the trunk as long as the key is close. Nice big trunk. Locally traded. Heated rearview mirrors. Smart Key works on all the doors. Power driver's seat with lumbar and thigh bolster adjustment. Push button start. Driver's side memory seats. Power windows and locks. And mirrors. Traction control. Okay, button for the power rear sunshade. Has a tilt and telescopic steering wheel. Steering wheel audio controls. Bluetooth phone controls with voice activation. Steering wheel climate controls. Cruise control. Thermometer. Getting close to 85,000 miles. Trip computer. AM, FM, 6 CD, and is the up-level JBL sound system. Dual zone automatic climate control. Heated and cooled front seats. Another 12-volt power point. One in the console and USB auxiliary ports. Power sunroof. Auto dim rearview mirror with compass, universal garage door opener, and backup camera. And if even makes it walking away with running, the key is still in my pocket. And Toyota's 3.5 liter V6 engine. 2011 Toyota Avalon Limited.